I think one thing that Excel hasn't been really good at the past 50 years is really communicating all of our capabilities at once. We have been known in the past to be the portable people or the conveyor people or just the parts house or just crushers. And today I feel like there's a lot of people that don't understand that we can truly do all of it.
From here at Excel, we do everything. We design, we fabricate, we install. It's pretty much a turnkey.
The fact that we have 65,000 square feet basically of production space, not counting our warehouse space, allows us to tackle very small to very large venues and do it very effectively, and that's our reputation. We find ourselves going out and quoting things that are way outside of what we used to build simply because of the pretty extensive manufacturing capability that we have in-house.
We are one of the very few companies in this industry that can design it, that can fabricate it, that can go install it, and then still offer that customer the service after the fact.
I can't tell you how many times we've been out on a project. After it's already sold and we've gotten the project, our guys go out there and install, and that's where really the relationship starts, is with these guys. And these guys make us look good. They make it look easy.
Well, we kind of figured a lot of our customers, we're pretty close with them. They're kind of like family also. Sometimes you get out in the field, everything's so much harder out there because you don't have the overhead cranes, the right tools, especially when you get out of the country. And when you go down there and are able to get that customer back up and running, which one way or the other, we are going to be the winners. It don't even have to be our piece of equipment. A lot of times we'll go out in the field and at the customer's request or even not, we'll actually train their personnel. This is what Excel does that most companies don't do. I mean, it's just all about customer service. I mean, just 24/7.
We have more experience probably in our mechanics department working on aggregate equipment than anybody in the industry. And so these guys back there, they're experts in their field. They're knowledgeable about what we do. And they definitely take pride and ownership of a product that we put out and put our name on. Whether we manufactured it personally or we just took a competitor's piece of equipment and rebuilt it.
In 2019, Excel was 50 years old. We've changed managers, we've changed names, we've changed the type of equipment that we build, we have changed what we sell, but we have never changed our foundation of honesty, integrity, and working really, really hard.